Why do we need speed at all? In the previous lessons, we learned to describe where an object was and how much its position changed. If an object moves from a house to a school, distance tells us how much ground it covered along its actual route. Displacement tells us where it ended relative to where it began. But neither quantity tells us how quickly the motion happened. Imagine two people walking along the same 600-meter route from the same house to the same school. They traveled the same distance. Because their starting and ending points are also the same, their displacement is the same. But the first person arrives in 5 minutes, while the second needs 15 minutes. Did they move equally fast? No. They made the same change in space, but not at the same rate. This is why we need speed. Distance and displacement alone do not tell us how quickly motion occurred. Speed connects a change in space with the time taken for that change. Without time, there is no speed. Suppose a car travels 100 kilometers. That distance alone does not tell us whether the car was slow or fast. If the trip takes 5 hours, the car is relatively slow. If it takes 1 hour, the car is faster. If it takes half an hour, the car is faster still. The same distance can correspond to different speeds because the times are different. The reverse comparison works too. Watch two balls for 1 second. The first travels 2 meters. The second travels 8 meters. In the same time, the ball that covers more distance is faster. So there are two useful comparisons. If the time is the same, the object that covers more distance is faster. If the distance is the same, the object that takes less time is faster. Speed is not just a large number. It is a relationship between space and time, the rhythm at which motion unfolds. One object may cover 1 meter each second, another 10 meters each second, and another 30 meters each second. The more distance an object covers in the same unit of time, the greater its speed. Speed therefore tells us more than where an object was or how far it traveled. It tells us how quickly its motion unfolds over time. This leads to two related but different rates. Speed compares distance with time. Velocity compares displacement with time. For now, the key idea is simple: speed appears only when we consider motion together with time. So in a problem, asking how far is not enough. We must also ask, how much time? If this explanation helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your physics question in the comments. We will do our best to answer it.